Hey everyone, welcome to CyberCK. Today we are going to unbox one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the brand new iPhone 16 Pro. Apple has made some bold moves with this release and we will be diving into the exciting changes. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You'll find quality tech videos here. Let's jump right in. Box design. Let's start by taking a quick look at the box. Apple has kept things minimal as always. The front of the box showcases a clean image of iPhone 16 Pro. I've got the desert titanium finish, which already looks striking even before opening it up. Like previous years, it's eco-friendly with fewer accessories, which we'll dive into soon. Unboxing. Alright, let's do the unboxing. This is so smooth. Alright, right on the top, we have iPhone 16 Pro itself. Before we dive into the phone, let's take a quick look at what else comes with it. What's inside? As expected, the accessories are pretty minimal. You get USB-C to C cable. USB-C has finally arrived on iPhone since iPhone 15, thanks to EU once again. No charger in the box though, so keep in mind if you need to pick up one separately, unless you have one from the previous phone. Alongside that, you have the usual documentation and a SIM ejector tool. Let's move everything aside and take first look at the phone. Now here is the star of the show, the iPhone 16 Pro. The desert titanium color looks incredible. It's got this refined matte finish that feels premium without being too flashy. I've checked it in different lighting conditions and it's stunning. We might have seen this color before. It gives a vibe of gold color that we have seen in previous iPhone models. The flat edges and smooth curves carry forward the signature iPhone look, but it feels even more refined this time around. The camera module is bold and it's clear that Apple has doubled down on improving the camera system. The phone feels solid yet lightweight, striking a nice balance between durability and comfort. Let's turn it on. Okay, the Apple logo shows up here. Key features. Now let's talk about the features that stand out. First up, we have Super Retina XDR display. This year it's brighter than ever and more energy efficient. Plus, with ProMotion, you get the smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming feel fluid and responsive. Moving to cameras, the 48 megapixels main sensor paired with 48 megapixels ultra-wide and a 12 megapixels telephoto offers incredible versatility. Apple has really focused on the enhancements this year, so even better low light performance and sharper image quality across the board. What's new in the phone? Now, one of the most exciting additions on this year's phone is the camera control button. This innovative touch-sensitive capacitive control allowing you to launch the camera app, cycle through shooting modes, and take pictures, all without moving your finger from the button. It's designed to make your photography experience more intuitive, especially capturing those perfect moments. I'll be testing this button thoroughly in the upcoming videos. This button enhances the way you interact with your phone, providing seamless shooting experience. Final thoughts. So first impression, the iPhone 16 Pro is well-rounded, polished upgrade, especially if you're into photography. Smooth display and premium design. The Edition camera capture button shows that Apple is evolving and continuing to push boundaries in small but impactful ways. If you want to see more in-depth tests on the camera and performance, stay tuned for the next video, where I'll dive into all of that. The review video will be out soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching CyberCK. I'll see you in the next one.